Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna flakes in oil. Begin by selecting a sturdy can of tuna packed in oil and prepping tools on a clean surface. Open the can carefully and pour off excess oil, only if you want a lighter result. Use a fork to gently separate the fish into even flakes, avoiding overworking it. Taste and adjust seasoning lightly, then package in an airtight container for easy use. Start by draining or reserving oil depending on the texture you prefer, then place tuna in a shallow bowl for gentle handling. Use a fork to tease apart natural muscle fibers into consistent flakes, or trim with a knife for larger pieces. Don't mash the tuna. Maintain light strokes to preserve texture. If desired, stir in a small amount of reserved oil or olive oil to restore shine and moisture before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you cook, fits cup holders, and has a leak-proof lid for clumsy moments. It's handy for kitchen prep or taking meals on the go, and it cleans easily. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep flavors simple and complementary to let the tuna shine. Try lemon juice, cracked pepper, and a touch of olive oil. Mix flakes into salads, fold gently into pasta, or pile onto toast for quick meals. For meal prep, portion flakes into small airtight containers with a little oil to retain moisture. Refrigerate promptly and use within a few days, or freeze in small batches for longer storage and easy thawing when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.